What's it doing down
I don't know. Exploring. They love the snow. Stuart. There they go. It's like just put it in the window for a little bit. They're after seeds. See? They're actually eating them. They're goofballs.
What happens if you tap on the window? Will they come?
No. He's off of the snow. No. Saturated.
Where's the giraffe? There
Right
he
there.
is.
You see the giraffe?
Oh,
Yeah, he's
they
out
found
there.
him. Yeah, they break him in.
Stewie picks him up and runs with him a little bit. So.
Okay, well then you have to say that. You have to tell me that. Okay, I want to hear you say it.
They're funny, aren't they?
Please, I need to hear it. Okay, I need you to say, Caroline, I love you.
But they're not bouncing. You saw that. I heard it.
I can't see him. We gotta go attack watch.
Yep, it's coming. There it is. Play ball.
So what's he doing?
No, that's great. That's so fun. All full of snow. Very, very cute. Oops. All right. Okay.